Just dropped off another beautiful woman named Maria. Maria. I think it's the same name. I think it's the same person. All right, where are we at? 114 plus 18 is 128, 132. 132, and we have relocated. Santa Monica is right there. First, let's get paid, back up my notes, and then we will figure out who to pick up next. Nothing popped up right away, right? Because nothing popped. Oh, 133. My math was off. If nothing popped up, it means it's a little slow, but that is okay. I had all the other options off, and we're almost there. We're almost at 150. $17 more, and we made our minimum for the day. This is how we do it in 7. So it's a little slow. It's taking me 8 rides to do it, but beggars can't be choosers. Not gonna happen. 467. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Stop bothering me. I'm taking notes in the background. Mileage wise, we are doing okay. 157 driven and about $133 in the pocket. Put in a little bit more gas just in case we get a big ride. It's always nice to be ready. So that's basically $33 in gas so far, right? That I put in my car, and I've made $133. That means $100 in my pocket. I'm gonna turn on all options, even the little furry pets. See what happens. Oh my God, someone's honking. Give me 1 second, bro. No patience at all. So this is my first time in Pacific Palisades. I think that's right. I mean, it's kind of like blocking. I can't read it. Yeah, Pacific Palisades. I have no idea what to do here. This is like 2 unknowns for me today. But I do know where Santa Monica is, and I do know where LAX is. So can we get here? Oh, yeah. LAX is looking promising. You know, I need a goal. I gotta go somewhere. And it shows like 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Maybe LAX might be good today. It's a Monday. Some people might have had a late flight. Let's see what happens. It is guiding me to go through Santa Monica. This is beautiful. And 25 minutes, 14 miles, and I get to take a break and work on my YouTube channel once I get to LAX. Let's do it. I need 17 more to hit my minimum, and if I can get it going that way, that would be awesome. 660. Zero, boss. There's a street right here called California Incline, right where I'm at. Right there, California Incline. I'm gonna take that. That basically takes you off the bottom, which is PCH, and puts you up in Santa Monica. So instead of driving here and at the bottom having no opportunities, I'm gonna go chill here for 10 minutes, take a break, test it out, see if anybody needs a ride towards the airport or anywhere for 15, 20 bucks. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, then look, airport is only 18 minutes away, right? There's no traffic. But at 1:30, you know, I don't know what's going on at the airport. It's always nice to like just test Santa Monica a little bit, because people might be getting off lunch or doing a late lunch and need a ride back. Okay, this is way too funny. I just saw a message on Uber, and I had to pull over and read this together. Just check this out. What the hell is this? Actually, let me read you what it says. Subscribe to Earnings with Uber on YouTube. Uber has a YouTube channel? What does it say? What does this say? Content made for drivers like you. Hi, Ahmed. Find authentic content created for drivers and couriers like you on the Earning with Uber YouTube channel, a great resource for all aspects of earning experience with Uber. Learn about how to use the driver app, tips from... Wow, why would anybody in their right mind want to ask Uber for guidance on how to earn money? The whole business is about screwing the passengers and screwing the drivers, and they're gonna... No, please guys, if you're following me, I will deactivate you. I mean, no, I'll unsubscribe you from my YouTube channel if you go if you subscribe. If I find out you're subscribed to YouTube, I'm gonna de-unsubscribe you from mine. You know what I'm talking about. Make sure to turn on notifications to hear about driver app updates, new podcast. Oh my God, let me see this. I gotta see this. I don't believe this. I do not believe this. Oh, come on, dude. Your app still doesn't work. You gave me a link. I clicked on the link. You're not even going to take me to YouTube channel? Oh, there it is. Confirm channel subscription. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I'm going to put an X right here, dude. And this is going to be my thumbnail. No, actually, no. That's kind of mean. Let me do this. Oh, shit. I hope I didn't subscribe. I hope I didn't subscribe. Oh, shit. Did I subscribe? No, I didn't. Okay, this is gonna be a screenshot for me. This is gonna be a thumbnail for this video. Oh, that's too funny, fellas. That is too funny. Oh my God, they have 42,000 followers? No way! Holy shit! Oh my God, there's Dara right there, dude. Oh, this is disgusting. Actually, that channel doesn't look that bad. I'll have to check it out on YouTube. What the hell? Oh, I'm in it from right from here. Okay, what is the actual channel? Earnings with Uber. That's what it's called. Earnings with Uber. Hang on, let's go check this bad boy out. Earnings with Uber. Hold on. We had to pause and take a break for this one. EARN, earnings with. Oh my God, yeah, it is an actual channel. Holy shit. They have 42,000 followers? Impossible. What's wrong with you people? Okay, 418 views. I'm not gonna subscribe, but I want to check out your channel though. I will never subscribe. What? Oh my God, these are professional videos. Holy shit. They're putting, oh yeah, these are really good videos. Oh my, maybe I should subscribe so I can see what's going on. What's your most popular video? 1 month ago, Earning with Uber got 120,000 views. Then after that, you got Earning with Uber in Arabic, got 27,000 views. Earning with Uber, how to get driver support, 26,000 views. Learn how Uber Pro works in Middle East. Oh, okay, this is a global channel or something. This is weird. It's actually, I don't want to be a hater, but that's a pretty nice channel. It's nice branding. Yeah, they actually are doing a pretty damn good job. Holy shit, it looks very professional. Man, I'm bummed. Okay, that is going to be my screenshot for this video. Here we go. And you know what, my friends? Deuces on my video right now. I'm gonna post this on my podcast and start a fresh one.